The 16th Yalta European Strategy Annual Meeting has begun today in Kyiv. This year's theme is Happiness Now, New Approaches for a World in Crisis. Hundreds of leading politicians, diplomats, businessmen, civil society activists, and experts from around the world have gathered to discuss global challenges. They will also focus on the current political situation in Ukraine. UATV's correspondent is there now. Hello, Yulia. What can you tell us about the event?
Hi, Carrie. Today, several key points of the World Happiness Report have been presented here at the YES conference. The research was conducted in 15 countries, including Ukraine. According to the collected data, 80% of people don't believe that the state makes them happy. However, the level of satisfaction is closely related to the voting behavior. Let's take a listen.
Among the lowest happiness people in each country, those answering with low well-being are much less likely to vote for a party that's currently in government, whereas when we look at the happiest people in society, they're much more likely to vote to re-elect government. So there's a real incentive for politicians who are in office to take steps to improve people's well-being, to focus policymaking on the goal of happiness, and there are real benefits to them in terms.
Denmark citizens are among the happiest in the world, according to the survey. The former Prime Minister Anders Fogh Rasmussen gave his insight into why the people of Denmark are happy with their government.
The main reasons why Denmark is ranked so highly in the list of happiness. Firstly, trust. We trust each other. No corruption. Independent courts. People can be sure if they have a conflict, they will also get a fair trial. That's the first element. Secondly, efficient services. We pay high taxes in Denmark, but in exchange, we get education free of charge, we get healthcare free of charge, and other public services at a very low cost.
At the YES conference, experts and politicians will focus on the result of the study as well as the other geopolitical issues. The YES conference will end on September 14th. Presidents, ministers and top officials of 26 countries are expected to take part. Back to you, Carrie.
Thank you very much. That was our correspondent reporting live from the annual YES conference here in Kyiv.